Today, I'm going to show you how to get Cash App on your phone. It's super easy. First, let's go to the App Store. If you have an iPhone, if you have an Android, it's called the Google Play Store. Search for Cash App. Tap on the Cash App icon. In case you don't see a Cash App, make sure to change the profile country and settings to United States. Next, click Get for iPhone or Install for Android. Once the app is downloaded, open it. You'll see a few options. In case you cannot open it and the app is stuck on the welcome screen, turn on VPN. Here I am using NordVPN. I will share a link into the description. See how easy it is to send money to friends or family. Learn how to ask for money from others. Understand how to withdraw money from your Cash App account. Explore the investing features offered by Cash App. That's it. You've successfully installed the Cash App on your phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. See you next time.